I was just trying to sneak in, just start it so I can
I
capture
know.
some of the talks that you're
I didn't finish my coffee yet either, so I'm going between. So I'm glad I picked well, I'll do it in a second. It'll go better with the coffee.
Yeah. I mean, you don't have to chug it. You can make it
In,
Irish.
in my endeavor,
Is that the one you created? I had it
I
somewhere
didn't,
and I think
but we both
it's
should
just
have
a
these.
beer.
It's not like Endeavor branded. It was pink now too. I've had this for a long time.
Yeah, because that's when we didn't even have logo. We just started. We're just kinda getting it. And I think mine actually got lost in garage sale. When we're
Lost in the garage
we're
sale.
moving, because I put all the mugs out. I was asking, "Which one are we keeping? Which one?" I was like, "I don't know. We don't use it all. So, like, just get it all out." That was one of it. And we had a glass, like a whiskey glass
I have
with
that.
and I broke it. So that one I actually didn't.
Yeah, that has the real logo on it.
Yeah, it's I think that when we just created the logo.
Cheers, mix, click, and code with Boozy browsing, sipping and fixing the web one cocktail at a time.
Well, while you do that, I can introduce my drink. This is it's like not reflecting. Berry monkey. Do you remember I had that golden something a while ago? It's a golden monkey or something?
No, sounds about right, but no.
Yeah. So I had the whole commercial kind of snuck in. It was like one of our first few. I think maybe it was like second episode all. I was trying to find some weird beer,
Mm.
and then they had the whole series of different monkeys. So this is berry monkey. And I also have different two other ones, sour monkey and something else. And then I'll drink that next time. But this was the berry monkey, so I'm kind of curious how this tastes like. Fruited, fruit is sour triple, and it's 9.5%. Some
I feel
little
like the colors remind me of like a fake candy, like type of candy or something that's supposed to be berry or strawberry or something.
it's like a sour beer. So it's
Okay.
like so it's like it says berry monkey is a perfectly fruited sour triple loaded with raspberries and add just the right twist of sweetness and tang for the super smooth finish. Undeniably very good. Very good. But I hate like reading this because like now it's all like there's like water condensation and the light is like I look like I need to read it like this. I can't read it like this, but
Yeah.
reflection sucks. And there's a giant eye looking at me. Anyway, so that's my beer. Berry monkey. Let me try this.
I'm going with it's a coconut porter. It's hard to read and show. I have bad lighting behind my camera. It's from Loveland Brewing or Loveland Ale Works, rather, not Loveland
Ooh.
Brewing. This is a they're whatever text on it says, "Are you toasted?" So I guess a toasted porter. I don't know. This coconut porter was created by our beer friend to celebrate our first year of beer in 2013. Pours with a tan head. I will not be pouring it because I forgot to go get a glass. Fill the glass with a smooth chocolate macaron love. Brewed with love because, well, Loveland. We will see.
So yours is chocolatey? Mine is very sour. It's
Should be, but it's a coconut porter. So we'll see. Cheers. Mm,
This is kinda like
good.
eating a Sour Patch, the candy.
That's what I was gonna. It looked like a like candy type coloring.
Yeah, so if you like Sour Patch, you probably like this. I
It's
do
like
like Sour Patch, but I'm not sure about
drinking a Sour
drinking
Patch.
it as a beer, yeah. But it's
This is a
very
good one.
fruity.
I don't know if I taste any chocolate. A little bit. I taste the coconut. It's not like overwhelmingly coconut, but just enough to know it's in there. Yeah, this is a good one. I only bought one of it.
Oh. How do you buy one of it?
Singles.
Wish I had that. Because
You
now
gotta
I have
find. I
a lot
mean,
of beer.
I don't like most of the liquor stores here have the singles. They don't have everything in a single though,
Yeah.
and it's more expensive, obviously, per can.
I'd rather do that so that I don't have too many other things lying around in the house because I end
I
up
know.
drinking it all. Oh, so I wanted to do interesting fact about today because I was researching it so I can set up the lunch and learn thing.
Yeah.
today, the quick interesting thing about today was so October 21st, 1949, the Chinese American engineer Anne Wang, yay, Wangs, not Wang, but Wang, filed a patent for magnetic core memory. So it's just a foundation for how computers store data for decades. So that's the day. Today was the day he filed it. So that pretty much became all the memories. I mean, I'm not a
Hmm.
hardware person, but I do know that that was an important break. Was like a breaking thing that allowed the computers to have all those STDs and stuff like that. I think.
Yeah,
Right. So that was today. So October 21st.
that's cool.
Fun
So
fact.
I'm guessing that's when it could be overwritten, writable memory.
Yeah. I mean, I saw the pictures of it. I can probably reference it later, but like the way he did it, it's like a donuts and threads, but like he drew it and the first prototype. It's in some like a computer history museum in California.
Hmm.
So thought that was a cool fact about technology. Why not learn something new related to
49,
computer?
75-ish years ago.
Yeah. 49. Some people come up with some crazy stuff.
That's like right after the Second World War.
Yeah.
I'll drink to that.
Yep. Well, me too. All right.
So we're going to do a review of a website,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yes. This will be interesting because when I briefly looked at it, the site looks pretty good on
Oh,
different
how
levels.
boring.
So, huh?
How boring, man.
No, but like there should be an example of. But we're talking about. There should be some good example of a good one.
Every once in a while.
Yeah, every once in a while. So, and also this is one of the things that it was a semi request. So we
Right.
wanted to do some audit and just give a couple pointers on the actionable steps that they can take.
You know what?
What?
I'm going to make it more interesting. I'm going to bring it up in the comment web
Oh,
piece.
oh, so you got that?
Well, I haven't really tried it much, but yes, I have it. So
It's open
let's
to
see.
everyone now, or the people who pay for it? Because it used to be for the
I think I got a link from someone, and now with this, I get Perplexity for free for a while. Rumple.
Rumple.
What is Rumple?
Yeah, I didn't know what it was, and while I was looking at it, I was like, "Oh, cool! It's a first
Documented.
impression."
Okay. All right. First, I mean, I feel like it's really nice. Trying to find something to nitpick on, but
Well, you can get rid of that thing first. So,
I'm looking at this first.
yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Video background. It's a cool video. Obviously on brand.
Mm-hmm.
I
And
mean,
shows that's their new product, so it kind of shows that.
you know,
And I like they have the important information up front.
I mean, so it is hard to read this.
Yes,
Very hard to read.
on different scene
So yes, the video is cool, but if this is important, then that's a
overlay.
problem.
Yeah, maybe they can do some overlay on that actual text section so
Well,
that.
it's a very short video, so maybe not do it on repeat and have the end screen more muted.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? Like end in a frame that's like very, very much consistent. And because I am trying to read this, and
Yeah,
I can at this point, but I can't really understand it all without like trying to read really fast.
fair point. Yeah,
Um,
I can see that. It's like don't loop the video, finish it, and put it in the background,
and
which this can be
think
readable.
getting motion sickness, but that's a personal thing for me, and I get that easily.
I do too. I have that motion
Yeah,
sickness.
I can't even. I need to scroll off the video.
Yeah,
That's actually I don't know what's about that video, but something feels like motion in my head. That's kind of weird.
yeah.
Anyways, yeah, that the hero is probably should be changed a bit, in my opinion. Very simple navigation. Well, at least the main, and then these are obviously categories and things. So
Right.
that is definitely easy enough to read through. They seem to have some like sales and stuff. Like I wonder if
Like,
that would be more
can you scroll down more so that
common.
I also getting little dizziness from the video too? So,
Okay.
Carousel like this. Do you like these?
No, I didn't even notice. I thought that this was just a horizontal rule that was styled. But I can tell now that but I can't actually do it.
I think you have to click the navigation like that. Yeah.
I definitely don't like that.
Yeah, I don't like that because it's not obvious to me.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
probably better if you just kind of stack it up.
I assume mobile you probably can swipe, but desktop's a little awkward.
Yeah. Let's stay in this page and finish up because I don't think it's a long content. Yeah,
Yeah.
there's a lot of
So you got
this is a
pricing
carousel too.
here,
Yeah. So it's a carousel too?
kind of. I don't know what that's called. I can't remember what this one's called.
That was like a 3D something. It's a carousel.
So this is like a 4.95 out of 5. It is showing like that's pretty cool. I
Yeah.
thought they were just 5 stars. Yeah, sure, whatever. But they're actually showing that it's 4 point something. Never seen it. I've never seen, I guess, reviews that good.
I had a pretty good review.
Obviously that's made up. Well, not made up, but like designed, and they're not pulling it from something probably.
Yeah.
That's cool. 5-star reviews. What?
It's a quilted blanket.
No, I know that. I was
Yeah.
thinking of size, but I can kind of. Well, that's a sleeping bag version.
Oh, fleece
Okay, so
blanket.
these are full
Those are
size
different things. So
camping blankets.
oh, they have a cans? So it's all camping gears.
No, it's not. These aren't. These are. That's just how they're stuff bags.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it's hard when it's like not obvious issues. These are small.
Yeah.
I mean, and they could be bigger because I feel like those are the same, like this,
Yeah.
same amount of content, almost same width. You guys should get a little bit more width. There's 4 of those. There's about 5 of those. So that size could have been used down here, I feel like. And it would have been easier to read because a thin font, even a
Yes.
thin, and the pricing could be bigger,
Yeah.
but minimal. Quick add, cool, easy to use functionality.
Expansions.
I love the as seen in. It's probably paid advertisements. That's just a thing.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe not. Maybe they're actually been featured because they're not saying featured or like it's not editorial feature. It means that they paid to be advertised inside of these magazines. That's typical.
Yep.
Super tiny there.
Yeah, I can't read it.
Yeah. So this is kind of a consistency thing. So they went from all caps to title case,
Oh, you're right.
like obviously HTML title case because of the probably shouldn't be capitalized, but then all upper again.
Yeah. I was explaining this to one of our clients recently that these things might not be apparent or important, but people
Mhm.
tend to have a tendency that unconsciously it bothered them like a little bit. So that kind of adds up to have a slightly less good experience throughout the whole site when you lose the consistency like that.
Yeah,
So that's examples like,
even the
oh,
headlines are going a bit back and forth. Like obviously
right,
that's probably meant to be all uppercase,
right.
right? It's probably the name. But then you got title case. This is title case, but down here you got all.
Oh, right.
Well, that's weird. It went from all upper to then title case when
Yeah.
I clicked.
So like losing the consistency, it's doesn't it might not you might not think that's important, but it adds up to have a good, stronger brand and stronger consistency throughout the
Yeah.
brand. So
Well,
it adds up to your image pretty much.
because a lot of times you'll find that, like this one, it's very minute. Like it's not happening too many different places, and I'm
Right.
not seeing other serious inconsistencies.
Right.
Right? Like it definitely. I mean, I say that, but then they got like different sizing. Like these are bigger. I said 5 and then 4, right? And
Yeah.
then you got the circle things down here.
Hmm.
It's almost. Again, I preface this with I'm not a designer, yet feel like they picked some different layouts, and they're like, oh, we don't want to make it the same every time, and we don't know what to do, so we'll pick different ones.
Either that or
Yeah.
since this probably it looks like it's a Shopify site, it
Mhm.
they probably had a different template. It almost looked like
It's
they
just like that.
experimented with the different options they had.
Mm,
I don't know if there's like the actual designer who did this whole things, or there might have been someone who have a good design sense to start putting all this together, but there's like a little bit of these inconsistencies throughout the whole site. It makes
yeah.
it a little not chaotic because the whole so first overall it's not bad, but if you really need to go deep down on little things like that, keeping it consistent, keeping it throughout the whole site and whole experience throughout all these different pages will be better.
Okay. Now I'm seeing why I'm getting motion sick. So they're they're actually moving. Yeah, I can't watch it. A lot of them are either staying still or they're actually moving around.
Oh, I
Um,
see. Yeah, it's like a first person camera view
yeah,
almost.
like that.
Yeah. So
Like it's
that's
not too bad when
probably
they're when the focus is on, but then you do this. I represent probably a small portion of the population that get motion sickness around stuff like this, but yeah, I can't
no, I
watch.
think well, actually I'm part of it because
Yeah, we're
I
two for
can't
two.
ride any motion sickness related
Mm,
rides or anything like that. So like all these moving things, like all this camera, I can't even play 3D games because I get too sick.
yeah.
I have a whatever the Oculus thing that I can't play games on there because I got sick immediately.
Hmm.
But that's probably intentional because like the outdoor brands, they like to provide video clips that are like a first person point of view, like the not too
Yeah.
uh,
Oh, I
whatever
know what you mean.
professionally done. So like I get the intention, but using that as a background, there
And
are
the
people like yeah, there
it's
are
too
people
fast and looping. It needs to nah.
probably yeah, one or the other. Just don't loop it.
Yeah.
Have it a little more subtle things because people who are not people who don't have motion sickness doesn't understand this, but people with this motion sickness, it's
It probably
really disturbing to them.
yep. Yep.
And there's a lot more people there are than you think. Because like
Right.
even for like I didn't know you had it, but like I never really need to stress it because we do a lot of outdoor stuff, but I still have it.
Yeah.
It's disturbing on the website. So it would be better if you pick a video that doesn't have that.
I was gonna say here, this is an accessibility issue. We got white on very light color and then almost barely no contrast.
I think that goes with the front page in the beginning too, because you
Yeah.
couldn't read it. Okay.
If because I didn't notice this pink on the homepage. Yeah, it was mainly all oh, there's orange. So they're just doing yeah, because I kind of felt like these all matched the brand color and brand palette maybe.
Mhm.
It's like see how they're all brown or whatever, burnt orange
Yeah,
all
like
the
a
way to
pumpkin
here.
orange.
And then I get to this page.
Oh, pink.
Oh, is it because I'm on a specific color? Okay. I mean that's I didn't even know about that, right? Maybe that's why. So I clicked on hyper, let me find them again.
Give me
Or I'm
2
going fast. I clicked on that. So
Okay.
let's go to retro woods and see if the CTA buttons. Okay. That feels like a lot of effort for, because I would think that that's, the color of these, yet you've got this site colors changing to match that.
Do you think there's value in there?
I don't think so, but
Yeah, it looks more broken than value to me.
and a lot of effort to make sure that you didn't mess, like if you clone out one of these pages and then you got to remember that
Every
that
single
wasn't your
page has
brand
a
color.
it's probably
It's
better if you just keep it consistent with the brand color.
it's interesting. Like this is interesting because they're doing it here too. It looks like
Yeah, but
when they're
it's
all
not being consistent with what is the current one? Is it warm?
here.
So
So
I'll
this looks like it's back to well, it was similar to the homepage, and it's so like this is yeah. It's, the first one was hyper. Does this change the reviews? No. So that stays the brand, the homepage. That stays a little. That shouldn't. It shouldn't move around like that.
Yeah, that's probably CSS issues.
Middle, one other thing. Yeah, so these changed, but that didn't. I think that's where I noticed it. I wouldn't have noticed it other than the fact that it's so off from on this one specifically. But again, if they're doing it on the other ones, it's not broken. It just feels like
I
more
feel
work
like it's
than
overthinking.
worth. Yeah. Cool. Do we want to do a checkout?
Yeah. And then mobile.
Okay. So let's check out on desktop and then kind of go quickly.
Mobile.
I clicked it. Oh, I added to cart or added it back. It's a it should have a
Yeah.
little bag instead of a cart then. Like I did, and now it's still 0. Man, this one also is still 0. So now I've got a 2. Let's add a third. So now what happens when I go here?
You
It's
did add
there.
it. So there's a
And
bug.
now it's updated.
Okay. So there's a bug.
Little bugs. I mean, this is, like you said, probably a Shopify, looks like. I didn't look for sure, but typical checkout flow, upsell. This looks like it's super slow.
Well, you added multiple times because you
Ooh,
didn't get the feedback. So
ooh, what happened there? I
I thought
think I
you
broke something.
Oh, you didn't delete it?
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
Let's go add, 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 add. So go. I clicked 4 times. Probably only did 3 of them. Okay. Well, maybe it did. Oh yeah, so I accidentally clicked minus, but I didn't. Oh, now it's gone. Now what do I do? I mean, little
Well,
tiny things,
yeah. I
but
mean, the minus thing, I get it because I do like the
yeah,
minus to remove it.
we'll go to 0,
Oh, well, yeah,
right?
but
Leave it here in case, because again, I literally clicked it on accident and it disappeared.
I see. But
Tiny, but
that one I actually prefer not going to 0 but removing it. Because I don't want to, because I get annoyed when I have to click remove specifically to remove
hmm,
it. Anyways,
one more. I assume it's going to connect to. Oh, I'm in a different browser. That's right. Cool.
yeah, it's a typical
Yeah.
checkout. It looks like, yeah.
Exclude everything else. Okay. So, what type of dev tools do I have in?
Oh, right. You're in comment.
Oh, you can see it too.
You can probably run a lighthouse on
Here we go.
comment, right?
Yeah, I could. I mean, it's been.
So that's the mobile?
Yeah. Well, I think.
I don't think that was a mobile I thought I saw before.
Oh, it's just the size. I wonder if it's passing in the right headers. And it's 400.
It looks like you just shrunk it down but didn't change the actual
Yeah,
device.
I can at least scroll back and it's just really long. Okay. I mean,
Oh,
that's a
oh, maybe it
design
did.
decision, I guess.
It did. Yeah. Okay. So what I wanted to check was, well, yeah, that hamburger menu, but that weird carousel that I didn't like. Does that
This one.
look? Oh, it is a carousel still.
And I'm not. I mean, I'm in a fake browser, but I can't. You can see it, right?
Yeah.
I'm trying to
It's-
scroll over. Oh, okay. There we go. If I press,
And then scroll.
if it's a normal touch, that
What
works.
about the one below?
The weird one.
Yeah. Okay.
Interesting. Yeah, this is. I mean, it carries over the similar things, and some of these get really small, but that's off
Not
center. But
not bad.
yeah, this should be looked at. I mean, at this point, it's almost a who cares. You got other things still to do, but
Mm.
like that should be wider,
Yeah.
just to make it the same width.
It's off center.
And then this should just be aligned center, probably, to clean that up. Very minimal. The rest of the layout, I think the only other critique is this is weird.
Yeah. I don't get that. Are you swiping it or is
I'm
it?
I'm not. Yeah, I'm not. Well, I could probably. So that's touch and push over. I was
Oh,
just using my double finger. So this is like desktop interaction and mobile
okay.
ability. So yeah, I can do that. What happens when I do that in release? Oh, it didn't click. That's good. What's search look like? Yeah, I love
Just
that.
standard. Yeah.
Didn't look like that. Still got my. It makes sense. This was just a side, so it's the same pretty much sizing. Cool. That could probably get cleaned up, but
Yeah. It's overlapping in weird
if I
places.
try to click there, this one. Yeah, nothing wrong here.
The overall impression isn't bad, but there's like a little tweaks that can be cleaned up.
Yeah. There's a little bit of a, no, I didn't do it that time. It's like shifted. It's really hard to reload, but
What's with the human thing on top? Like the
on
little
that,
icon? Yeah, what is that? It almost look like it needs to be
no, it's
access.
accessibility. Yeah. Should be a wheelchair. I mean, that
So what does it change?
it's one of the job. Yeah, it's a user way. It's one of the
Wow.
JavaScript ones.
Did
So
they have that on desktop?
I didn't notice it, but I didn't look. Let me
We can go back and
go.
look. Yeah.
Yeah, looks like probably.
So
Yeah.
what changes if you
Oh
click
wait.
that?
Oh, it's all the way. It's not sticky. I don't know if it was mobile sticky. Is that why you saw it? That's weird. The nav. I didn't notice this. Nav's not sticky.
No. But when you click on it, does it change? I'm kind of
Mm,
curious about how the header video thing changed.
yeah, if I make it, there are things. Typically, I don't think contrast will help, but
Oof.
it tried to help, but it
It
just,
made it worse.
yeah, it kind of made it worse. Well, smart contrast. I mean, this isn't them. This is a third party thing.
Okay, so instead of just
Okay.
accessible,
There's a lot of contrast there.
don't
I don't
see
know
it.
what happened. I can't see anything. I
Yeah.
don't know
So
how to
they
get,
probably should have tested that.
I can't get back.
You can't get
I
back?
think it's up here. This is all I see. I think that person thing is up here, maybe. I'm trying to find it. There we
Yeah.
go, maybe.
There we go.
I'm not okay, here we go.
You can't get it to work.
There we go. I don't know how I was
Yes.
able to get back, but I was able to get back.
So
Interesting.
if you're
That's what
gonna
they're
use a
talking about
third
third party
party, you should test this.
oversized.
Doesn't do oversized.
That didn't do anything that I saw.
It's like it only did it for couple headlines.
Okay.
Yeah, like the original Poofy,
Yeah.
and
These are still
that's
small.
about it.
I didn't notice
So
this the first time.
it's probably didn't have the right tags built for the accessibility third party to pick up on it.
Maybe. So these are supposed to be like you drop on your site or enable,
Mm-hmm.
and then it figures it out on its own.
But it didn't.
No.
The only thing it did is like it made its own thing bigger.
Right.
Did you notice that the menu actually got bigger?
It's on. Oh, this.
Yeah.
Yeah, that changed.
So what's the
We'll
point?
hide into this.
Yeah.
Doesn't hide videos. Okay. Put that back in. Pause animations. Okay. No more video, but it's
But
stuck on a really bad contrast. I mean, now we're testing out a third-party app that isn't part of their site, but they added it, add some saturation. Now we're cool tips, page structure. No, that's
yeah.
complicated.
Right. Yeah, that's enough to kind of test with this thing because
Yeah,
we probably just needed to test this when they put this in. Probably thoroughly test it to see if that actually worked.
right.
So overall, I don't think we're gonna go over all the scores and things like that because overall it's nice, but there are a lot of little things they can tweak for you. So I have my one thing they can change. If there's a one thing that you would recommend to change, what would that be?
Kill the video.
It's funny
Or do it differently.
that's
Stop it.
yeah.
Something simple.
That was mine too. So I don't and it
I mean, I can't even look. I can't keep that on screen personally.
yeah. My
It's
second would have
totally
been all
unusable.
these weird carousels, but my
Mm,
number one thing is the video. Like either have it not loop and go to something that you can read the text, but
right.
or come up yeah, don't loop it like that, especially if it's a short videos like that. It's constantly looping. It's very, very disruptive.
Yeah. I think the no transition between the videos is not helping me also.
Yeah, it's not looping gracefully.
But there's all kinds of things I would keep though. It's a really good looking commerce site
Mhm.
in general.
Right.
Very functional, some small bugs. I feel like outside of the video, it's just a lot of, not even a lot, just a handful of small bugs that would bring it to the next level.
Right. to make it a little more, um, I would say luxury-ish feeling
Right.
if you clean that up, because it's all about, like, consistency, even, like, a board like, a spacing around it. Making a consistency look more it's like a nice touch to make it higher branding.
Yeah. Yeah. You need more consistencies.
Yeah. Right, cool. I mean, good sites, little tweaks can make a big difference, so hopefully they can do that, and I'm out.
I'm not even close to being out. I guess I talk too much.
Yeah, I was just watching. Cool. That was fun. So, by the time we publish this one, we probably already did the lunch and learn, but I'm excited about our lunch and learn series to see.
Yeah, I think that'll be a fun series to do on Fridays.
Right. Cool.
Learn a little bit more about technology that we don't even know about.
Yeah, so
How did
we
I finish this? Has it just been a really short it's not even a short episode.
no, it's not. You were just very into it.
I mean, I normally have no problem finishing my beer.
Yeah, you're very into it, which is good.
I wonder if it's because it was hard to find things. I was really I mean, this is just like a personal reflection. Like I was trying to concentrate to find things wrong
Mhm. Yeah.
versus I'm like, "Oh, well, you got that?
Yeah.
You got that?" Like, I almost feel like I drink every error on most sites, and it's like, "All right, I'm done." Give me
Which
the
is a good thing, cause like, the site itself is good. There's, like, a lot of little things that you wanna tweak,
Mhm.
which is more interesting sometimes because you just need to give them a couple things you wanna tweak and you'll go to the next level, which is a more fun thing to give them advice on. Oh, this was one of those sites that it's nice. There's, like, a little things here and there that can be updated, will make it better.
I actually feel nauseous right now.
Really?
I
Why?
feel like I went on
Oh,
a ride.
'cause of the videos?
Yes.
Wow,
It
you have it worse
affected me
than
for
I
a
do.
while.
You have it worse than I do, 'cause I thought mine was really bad.
I can't think about rides that spin around without getting
Oh, I
nauseous.
can't get into any of those.
No,
Oh,
no, think about, like, literally, if I think about
no.
past times being on them, I get
Can you play video games?
yeah. Yeah, video games, I'm fine because I feel like as long as I'm controlling my
Yeah.
screen, it's
No, I
okay.
get sick immediately 'cause,
Mm,
video games, like 3D video games or the virtual video games.
mm,
I
I can't
lasted
do headsets.
I lasted 5 minutes, and I got really sick for the entire day. I couldn't do anything.
Mm,
I realized I have a motion sickness. And then I went to Disney World and did the
yeah.
ride of, it's like some Mars, of like going to the universe thing. I forgot which one that was, and I just couldn't function for the rest of the day. I was like, "Oh, I can't do this, unfortunately."
Yeah, the one in,
Ep
oh, what's the one with all the animals park? The
Animal
Disney park.
Kingdom?
Yes. So they have the one they have the one where you're able to, like, float.
Oh, I didn't
I
attempt
couldn't
that.
do that. I did it, and it
Yeah.
didn't go well.
The Epcot one actually made me sick. It's a
Mm.
mission to Mars or something. You probably didn't do it because they have a warning sign. And I went to there's 2 different lines, orange line and then like a yellow line.
Oh, is that the one where it actually feels like you're launching? I did
Yeah,
that one.
yeah. And then
Yeah, the closing one has a lot.
I did the easy one, and I couldn't do anything for the rest of the day, so I was like, "Alright, guess not."
Yeah. Yeah, I had to close my eyes a whole lot on that Mission Mars.
Yeah. I know I can do the circle thing, so I never really got on those rides, but Mission to Mars, I didn't know it was gonna give me weird
I get
most
sick on the teacups, so that's how bad I am.
well, yeah, I can't do teacups, I knew that.
Okay.
Yeah, teacups is actually worse than that,
Mhm.
so I never got on teacups. But anyway, so that's motion sickness. So there are people with motion sickness. So make sure when you're making
Check
websites,
out your videos.
yeah, it will give them motion
And
sickness.
parallax, if that ever comes back.
Yes. But paralysis, if it's very subtle, it doesn't give me motion sickness. It's more
Mhm.
of like, "Rah."
It's when I have to build it is my problem. When I used to have
Oh,
to
that's
build
true.
those sites, and I had to, like, actually
Go back and forth and back and
do it
forth. Yeah.
before templates came out for it. Yeah.
endeavor is a development agency. So we build, maintain, redesign, migrate all different sorts of websites. Actually, more platform because we have most of the times it's not just a website, it's also the content management system associated to it, other things such as e-commerce associated to it. So usually these days, website isn't just website, it's more platform. So we make it resilient by our 3E framework, which is making sure 3 experiences are on tech. So audience experience, which is the front end, what you see, feel, interact, creator experience, content creation, develop content publishing workflow is intact, and developer experience, which I always call it as an engine room because it's the one that's supporting everything together to make sure it's building correctly. So DevOps, code base, and all the workflows, those all have to be working together strongly independently as well as working together strongly to make sure that platform is free from fragility. So we've made a resilient platform, and fragility is such a weird word that we always kind of choke on. Now we can do it better. But yeah, so to make a strong, state up, stable, and scalable platform. So we've done this for over, I say over 20 years, but it's more like 30 years. But we don't want to reveal our age. But we've done it through over like 500 or even 1,000, more 1,000 websites that we have built throughout
Yep.
the history of our careers. So that's why we're talking about this. And that's why we pinpoint it really quickly when we see the site, some of the obvious things that can improve right away. So when we're saying that some of the inconsistency we're talking about, those fixing those will really benefit you. That's why we're doing this. While even though we're drinking and doing it, but we can pin it out really quickly. But if you engage with us, we can actually go deeper into nitty gritty details about this.
Yep. I mean, in a nutshell, we make it so that all these things, these little things we point out,
Okay.
hopefully, if you work with us or engage with us at all, we're going to let you know what these things are so you're not irritating your users. And this is just the audience side of things. You can only imagine how the creator side, I'm sure they have 15 different tools to create all their social media and other CMS stuff.
Yeah. Our initial goal is to make the websites easier and better to access as well as interact. So,
Yep.
well,
All right.
Stay tuned for the next episode on Monday afternoon.